What's up guys, how's it going? Just wanted to do a little update video on the GXP today. As you can see, she looks a little different from my first video. Got a couple boxes from eBay yesterday with the smoke tail lights. So installed those. And then we also got the smoked headlights up front. I love the headlights. I think they look great. They look way better than my 11-year-old OEM ones that I had on there. Definitely gives the car a little more of a sinister look. Tail lights look great as well. Here's what they look like illuminated. They look really cool at night. I love the look of them after the sun goes down. Sorry, the car is pretty dirty right now. I gotta go to work in a little bit. Didn't have time to wash it, but looks great with the new lights. You can kind of see them lit up. I was just a little concerned that with the smoked taillights and headlights that it would kind of dim my lights a little bit. So I also got some LED turn signals from Super Bright LEDs. These are the amber ones for the turn signals right here. And then this one is red. These are going to be for the tail lights. Let me just see if I can do a little demonstration here. There you go, you can see it. Obviously this is a 9-volt battery, so it's going to be much brighter when all 14 volts are going through it when I install it in the car. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I also got, these are circuit resistors that I'm going to install with those LEDs, because the LED lights use so much less power than the incandescent turn signals that sometimes your computer will think that there's a problem with your turn signal, that it's out or something like that. So the computer will actually engage hyperflash in your car. So even though you got a brand new turn signal in there, they'll be flashing all fast when you turn it on because the computer thinks that there's something wrong with the turn signal. So got the load resistors. I'm gonna get those installed pretty soon. So yeah, there's a little update on the car. Stay tuned guys, thanks for watching.